Bonjour tout le monde! Hello everybody! Bienvenue! Welcome to the first video in a series where I'm going to be setting you some challenges. To start off with, these videos are going to come out twice a week. The aim is for you guys to respond to a challenge based off one or two of the videos that we have done already in French with Mr. Innes. If and only if you have an adult's help and permission, you could even post your response to my challenge to the hashtag French with Mr. Innes on Twitter. And I will try my best to respond to your work from my Twitter account at French Mr. Innes. Our first challenge is in response to some of the fantastique, merveilleuse, amazing work from some kids at St. Patrick's School in Coatbridge. In today's challenge, I'd like you to design a French poster of your family. And it might well be helpful to rewatch Day 1 French Family and Day 2 looking at the French extended family. In these videos, we learnt ma mère, mon père, ma sœur, mon frère, ma grand-mère, mon grand-père, ma tante, and mon oncle. So my challenge to you is to draw a poster of your family, label it in French, then you could even take a photo of it or maybe even film yourself saying which members of the family are on your poster. And if and only if you have an adult's help and permission, you could post it on Twitter using the hashtag French with Mr. Innes, and I'll do my best to get back to you. Bonne chance, good luck with your poster, but for now, à bientôt, and au revoir!